Uh, Today we will discuss something which is related to Excel. Of course, we are doing this work in Excel 2007, and today I will be trying my level best to make you understand how to make tables. When I am saying tables, I am definitely saying about two ones are two, two twos are four, two threes are six, and so on. So in Excel, we will learn this process how to make table. This will help you in understanding two basic concepts. One is cell referencing and the second one is cell freezing. So let's start with the concept of cell referencing, which will be applicable in making table. So here my first sheet and I am renaming it with table. Uh, table, table, and enter. So my first sheet is now renamed as table, and okay, uh, table 2, I'm writing over here 2 in any of the cell. I have taken C3 to be the first reference point. 2 I have written, and now I will be dragging it like this to whatever numbers you want. We can do so, and you will find that there is 2 everywhere now. Okay, now the next column, which is D3, I will be writing here 1, and then after 1 I will be again putting 2. This way I will be giving an order to this laptop, to this, not to this laptop, to the computer, that 1 2, the next number should be 3, then 4 and 5. So select both of them like this and look to the screen. This plus will occur. Now wherever this plus will occur, you have to just drag it down till the end, or even if you double click it, it will take the order. Double click means, let's do once again. Right now our position is like this. If you double click it without dragging, it will again take the same values till 12. Okay, right now we are doing table of 2 till 10. So 2 tens are 20 should be last, our last answer. So here we are deleting these two things. Delete. Okay, now here Excel will always start with the syntax of equals. Without equals, Excel will not perform. So here we will write equals. Now 2. Don't write 2. You have to find the cell where 2 is written over. So here 2 is written. C3 is the cell. Multiply. How we will use the multiply? Shift and then press star. Star, you will observe it is above 8. Okay. Shift and 8. And then 1. That is D3. Enter. So here 2 ones are 2. Now double click and you will get the entire data. 2 multiplied 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 4 is 8. So just for the beautification, all borders and aligned in between. So here the table is there ready for you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.